alaikum. Welcome to Ghor Publishers. Our slogan is that we are redefining the geography of education through digital resources for conceptual learning. I am Mahnur Ahmed and I will be teaching you computer science for grade 8. Dear students, ये हमारी कंप्यूटर साइंस की बुक का लास्ट लेक्चर है जिसमें हम अपने कंप्यूटर साइंस की बुक के आखिरी यूनिट नंबर 7 एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इन डिजिटल एज की एक्सरसाइज को कवर करेंगे। ये एक एक्सरसाइज बेस्ड वीडियो है, इसलिए मुझे इसमें आपकी इंटरेक्शन और अटेंशन रिक्वायर्ड होगी। मैं क्वेश्चंस बोलूंगी, आप उनके आंसर्स अपने पास नोट डाउन कर लेना एंड देन जब मैं आंसर्स बोलूंगी सो यू कैन मैच योर आंसर्स विद माइन। अब हम अपनी एक्सरसाइज का पहला क्वेश्चन जो कि हमारे पास MCQs है उनको स्टार्ट करते हैं। First MCQ is, an entrepreneur is a dash who introduces something new to the economy. A, inventor, B, person, C, human, or D, all. And the correct answer is D, all. Second MCQ is, which of the following is or are examples of digital marketing? A, SEO, B, email, C, social media, D, all. And the correct answer is D, all. Third MCQ is, dash refers all activities that are aimed at creating positive public awareness. A, promotion, B, efficiency, C, affordability, D, flexibility. And the correct answer is A, promotion. Fourth MCQ is, which of the following is an example of how technology can help entrepreneurs? A, building relationships, B, developing new products, C, raising capital, D, all of the above. And the correct answer is D, all of the above. Fifth MCQ is, different platforms that can be used for entrepreneurship are A, social media platforms, B, e-commerce platforms, C, digital marketplaces, or D, all of them. And the correct answer is D, all of them. Sixth MCQ is, we can promote the businesses by A, social media, B, website, C, email marketing, or D, all of them. And the correct answer is D, all of them. Seventh MCQ is, the bounce rate is the A, percentage of visitors that leave your page, B, percentage of clicks, C, percentage of ads, D, percentage of pages. And the correct answer is A, percentage of visitors that leave your page. Eighth MCQ is, blogging is a form of A, business plan, B, entrepreneur, C, quality assurance, or D, content marketing. And the correct answer is D, content marketing. Ninth MCQ is, digital marketing is dash as compared to traditional marketing. A, more expensive, B, less expensive, C, both A and B, or D, none of the above. And the correct answer is B, less expensive. Dash is the first and foremost hub of your online business. A, online lead, B, CRO, C, market analysis, or D, your website. And the correct answer is D, your website. स्टूडेंट्स, इस यूनिट की एक्सरसाइज का हमारा सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज डिटेल्ड आंसर क्वेश्चंस, जिनके मैं सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस बोलूंगी और आप उनके आंसर्स अपनी स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, हाउ डज प्लानिंग हेल्प एंटरप्रेन्योर्स? सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज, डिफाइन बिजनेस प्लान एंड इट्स कंपोनेंट्स। थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज, डिस्क्राइब हाउ टेक्नोलॉजी इज एन एनेबलर इन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप। Fourth question is, name and describe the digital platforms that can be used for entrepreneurship. Fifth question is, what is digital marketing? Sixth question is, differentiate between promotion and value promotion. Seventh question is, differentiate between affordability and flexibility. Eighth question is, what is quality assurance? Ninth question is, discuss essential of digital marketing. So dear students, that was all about this lecture. इस लेक्चर में हमने अपने लास्ट यूनिट की एक्सरसाइज को कवर किया है एंड ये हमारी बुक का लास्ट लेक्चर था। आई एम होपफुल कि आपको इस बुक में हमने जितने भी यूनिट पढ़े हैं उनके कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर होंगे। थैंक यू, अल्लाह हाफिज।